ngayon. Susunod tayo sa beach.
Wish 1075.
Kasi hindi po natuloy ang lakad sa hapon. So, let's go! So, voice over time. Dito papunta na ako sa Batino para kunin yung tent. And sa video na to, nasa gas station na ako. Binigyan ako ng PO ni Lolo. Thank you, Lolo and DMD Security Services. Let's go! Anyway, wala akong audio kasi nakakonect pala sa CarPlay, so hindi siya nagana. Ayan yung CarPlay. Thank you, CarPlay. Ako.
Prison gates won't open up for me. On these hands and knees I'm crawling. I reach for you.
So, sa part na to nagkaka-temp issues ako sa CRV kasi hindi ako sure kung oil levels or coolant levels. Pero, so far after magpagas, okay naman siya. So, papunta ako ngayon sa Camdara kasi sabi ni Uno, bumili kami ng samgyup daw ni mami niya. So, eto kami on the way na.
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなんだって。どれどれ？
Time check around 10 a.m. in the morning.
Breathe in 숨을 내쉬고 두려움에 맞설 때 내게 들려온 한마디 조금 더 힘을 내라고 단계 속에 가
So, dito na ako bumili ng oil sa may Tagaytay na Petron. Technically silang siya. So, bumili ako nung 200 pesos na oil to top up the engine oil kasi nasa bottom hole siya. So, itong part na to, in-explain ko kung kano nakataas yung level ng oil. Nasa medyo gitna siya. So, medyo alanganin siya for me kasi gusto ko laging up to the proper level. So, besides that, nag-top up na rin ako ng coolant. Bumili rin ako dyan. Just to make sure na wala na maging aberya. So, ito yung temp levels. Yan. So, half naman siya. All good. So, tuloy na ang biyahe. You say hi. Una. Ito yung kasama ko sa biyahe kanina. Tent. Saan?
Dog.
Dog. Kami niya. Aayusin ni Kim Aliyah yung tent. Go, babe.
Ano ko sa amin? Pilit kong inano,
Oo. Ayusin niya. Go.
Hindi ako marunong magayin.
Huwag mo sabihin yun. Ikakat ko para pag nabuo ko, sasabihin ko ikaw gumawa.
Three days later.
Solid. Camping with a view. No way. Oh, interior design naman after this. Aray ko, untog ako. Tent reveal. Super overkill tent. Anyway. So ito yung balcony with a view. Boom. Yan. Ito yung items area. Po tayo. O, diba? Tapos ito yung king bed. King bed. Oh, ayos. Wait. Puno. Power. Hindi siya aesthetic? Sa initan.
Say you'll be down inside. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. But you won't be surprised. It happens every time. It's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight.
Spider-Man?
I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless. Staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret. Watching you is all that I can do. I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time, I'm just as nervous. Every time you walk into the room, I'm speechless. Yeah. Started when you said hello. You just did something to me. I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You take the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it. With all of the words out of my mouth, not even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret. Cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time, I'm just as nervous. Every time you walk,
Uno gets attacked by a crab.
I'm speechless. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind.
Crab. Never mind, Lana.
Give me with those eyes. I'm speechless.
Back up time.
Every night just standing there in that dress. What it's doing
Yan na.
to me ain't a secret. Watching you is
Like
all
sign.
that I can do.
Uno. Let's go. Check out. Tignan mo tong yellow tree. Kita mo ba? Hindi masyado makita. Yeah, yellow tree. So, anong rating mo sa stilts? Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's bounce. Bola! Yeah.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Nye.
Beb. Tayo mandar ng kotse. Naka-neutral. Minecraft toy. Mamaya yung unboxing.
Si Uno, Geb.
Ano si Uno? Oh!
Nagbago yung mukha niya.
Bate muka ini taku taku taku.
Naka-uwi na kami. EG reveal. Boom! EG. Kapoy. So, to those wondering na okay ba siya if pang road trip, okay na okay. Yan, for sale din yan. Ilalagay ko dito yung price para at least alam niyo kung magkano. Una, did you like the road trip? Wala siyang pakialam. Bonus! Minecraft movie unboxing. Okay, go. Punitin mo na lang. Napanood na ba namin yung movie? No. Naglalaro ko ng Minecraft? Yes.